Hello, everybody. I wrote an article about how loud a lawnmower or lawn tractor could be. I guess the subject matter was, is it healthy, is it not healthy? And so I did some investigating, and I found out that OSHA says that you can handle, at least at the corporate level, when it comes to mandating rules and what have you, the corporate level, 85 decibels sustained over a weighted period of 8 hours. You would actually have to, as a company, implement a protective hearing program. That said, I mean, I'm out here with this thing all the time, so I wanted to see where we were. So I downloaded an app. It's called Sound Meter, and I have calibrated it. We're at about 60 decibels or so, and that's what the CDC says is normal conversation. So I'm guessing this is going to be pretty close. Now I'm going to start the tractor, and we're going to see how loud it gets. And then I'm going to turn on the blades to see how loud that gets. And we'll see what we see. So here goes. I gotta be honest with you, it didn't reach 85 decibels, but it's pretty uncomfortable. I mean, when I use this thing, I use a pair of noise canceling headphones. That being said, I would probably suggest anything beyond conversational level, you might want to consider buying a pair of headphones. All right, well, I hope this was informative, and let me know what you think. Comments at the bottom.